Hey guys, thanks for coming back to the Struggling Goof Garage. I had to come out and do something, man. That's that virus. Wow. It is making people, including myself, crazy. I don't even know how to take it. And I don't understand the people that are taking it seriously. We were deemed essential at work, so we gotta be there. Well, hopefully it's for the greater good. I just hope they find something for this COVID-19. Jesus. But okay, welcome back. Enough of that. I'm going to have a left-handed cigarette. Marijuana is legal here. Ha! And yeah, we're going to get into the wiring again. Probably finish it up tonight. And yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, let me finish up here and I'll get your rig back in here and working with me. Alright guys, welcome back. I got you up there. First things first, it's a little bit of an issue. If you look right down here, the problem is on the Struggling Goof. No light. But if you come over here, oh! Hey, it's staying on. Oh. So I think I got an issue with the fuse holder. That there, and I got one wire up here I need to resolder. And let's see. We got this guy. Oh, this guy right here. That was cut. I can't remember where it goes. I think it's a signal light. But we'll figure that out easy enough. Okay, I'm going to tear this out. That's the problem right in here. I got a new fuse there today for it. See that? There we go. Okay. Let me pull that out and we'll take a look at it on the bench. How's that? Alright. Well, to be honest guys, I've never dealt with this one kind of style before. I'm sure it's very similar to every other one. Boys, I need a new camera. I can't see what's going on. I don't like that. I don't know if I'm getting the shot or not. Alright, sorry people. Had some technical difficulties. But this is what we're working with. Whoops, there you go. Oh, let me bring you out so I know that you're in the shot. Okay. This way. Give a multimeter. See if I can get connection that way, I guess. Lights. See, we're getting continuity through these anyway. And yes. So that would lead me to believe it's one of those holders. Now whether or not they're all connecting well or a different story. Let's try this. Which one gave me the problem? What the problem was. Okay. That's be brown. Oops. Brown white. I'm going to say it's probably the switch or the fuse holder itself. On that, good. Second. You know, you guys probably have a better way. I'm sure you do. I'm sure you do. But you know what? That's how I do things. You do things your way. We all learn. Alright, these are all good. So, I'm just going to take a little bit of sandpaper. There goes a little scratchy poo. And, let's see how easy or hard this is going to be. If it's hard, I'll just quit. That's a pain in the ass. Oh. Okay, I'm just going to squeeze these together a bit, I think. I should take them all out, but for all intents purpose, I think we'll be alright. One. Oh, this one's all dipped. Not bad. Nah, there's nothing wrong with that. Mine's being on its way out. Okay, got all three fuses back in. With that being said, I should have continuity now with all of them. Right? Right. Okay, let's see this. What we can do here. I hope you're still in the shot. Okay, where's that fucking doodad? This will probably work. It's a little piece of metal onto the end. I'm pretty sure we'll get continuity. So, should be able to go like so. And like so. And then like so. Let's see, last one. I think we're going to be good. Okay, let me bring you down to the bike, and yeah, we'll see if our little bit of work we did on this actually did something. Okay, and now we're back. I got the switch hooked up, obviously. Pretty straightforward there. You know, watch though, there's pretty a lot of juice there. I don't know why. Look into that. I figured it would have been dead off the... Okay, let's see if she works. Pink. Perfect. Pink. Excellent. Start. The cluster light works. You've seen those two lights work already. All that's left is that little bit of soldering. And I hate to put this all back together, but I just hate how it's wired. It's going to bug the hell out of me. But you know, struggling goof, I'll probably pull it off, you know, a week after I get it on the road. Alright, I'm going to hunt down that other wire, and I'll bring you back in, and I'll show you what got going on. More green wires in here than normal. I had to splice one to make, you know, connections and shit. But as soon as I think my issue is either going to be the flasher or it was just low voltage and the flasher wouldn't fire off, or I need my turn signals in the back to be hooked up. I don't know. I don't think so. But I'm going to hook them up just for shits and giggles, just to make sure. Or it could be the switch. I don't know. I am going to keep digging, and I'll bring you back when I find out more. Alright guys, a little bit of an update here. Just doing a little bit more picking. I had one, thinking this might be too big, too many watts, or well, it's a 20 amp as well. Regardless, put this guy on, no problem. Onto one, no good. But yeah, we got, I ended up tearing this apart as well, a little bit, not too bad. Real dick to friggin' get back over. Now you'll have to take my word that the other one, other side works. When I put the switch back in, I'll show you. But yeah, I don't know. Does anybody know if there's running lights on these? I thought there would be. Like, I could be totally wrong, but I was sure that there would be running lights on this. But anyway, okay, let me move a little bit forward, and I'll show you the final results, probably. I know the struggling goof has said that many times, but hey, it's the COVID-19, man. It's making me crazy. I haven't been to work in a couple days. It's just insanity, buddy. Wow, I watching the damn news every day, and it just keeps getting worse and worse. And then you watch people, and it's just like zero fucks, eh? It's like, well, you can get sick all you want. I don't want to, but geez, there's like 6,000 cases or something like that in New York alone. It's just crazy. But anyway, enough of that dreaded stuff. Let me get back to you when I get a little bit more done. Okay, we're at the point now where I can put things together. I gotta change the signal lights from left to right, right to left. Dumb goof, but hey, it is what it is. Let's see here. Boom. Okay, see, my problem here now is going to be in the switch. Obviously, you can see that. And yes, they do have running lights, if you can see that. So if anybody needs to know, 1982 cm450 has running lights on the front. And see, now my switch is dicked. If you move it just a bit, it works. But yeah, you gotta take my word for it. There we go. But yeah, it's in there. I've had it apart once already. There's a little slider that goes back and forth. I don't know. Might have to take it all apart again and try to solder the copper contacts down, but that's a later date. If I have to, I can just replace that, right? No big deal. Brakes light switch works in the front. Sticky, so I'm going to have to lube that. Signal lights will work in the back. And there's another question to answer. You do not need all the lights hooked up to get the signal lights to work. Yeah, so I had to replace the flasher relay. The one I've got here is working flawlessly, so if anybody wants to change out their Honda one, instead of spending $1 million, I do believe these are. This is an RD12, 12 volt. I don't see a part number on it. If I have to, I'll put a link in the description to what these are. But yeah, batteries charged back up. So next time you see the bike, this will be all loomed. And I am going to forget about the wiring because it's to where it needs to be, and I don't want to be a struggling goof anymore with this stuff. It's crazy. Yeah, like I said, everything works. Beam lights, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, now the infamous foot peg might be next. Or the gas tank. We got to get that dent out of there and get this stuff in there. But regardless, this video's probably getting a little long now. So, oh yeah, and we got to get this all organized here too, and a little tray built so we can put the battery box in. I got to find the battery that same size, probably black, cheap as possible. But okay, I'm going to wrap this one up, and I want everybody to hit that thumbs up. It really helps with my videos. You gotta like them. So thumbs up. I want you guys to subscribe. I'm still holding out at the same amount of subscribers. If you want me to do videos, subscribe. Come on, guys. Anyway, Scott to Scott, Struggling Goof Garage. I miss my partner here at home, but stay safe in the COVID-19 crisis and practice the social distancing, and don't go out if you don't have to. Okay, take care from the Struggling Goof Garage.